Hello, everyone. This is Dottie Thompson. That's my husband, Richard, right over there. But I am on my way to the WVI, which stands for Women Veterans Interactive Scholarship. I am a veteran myself of 27 years, and I help veteran women. So if you're helping AMR Dog Treats, which stands for Alex, Michael, and Rose, my three grands, you are also helping not only myself, but veteran women who have served this country honorably. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.